In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com, how to assign a person from a people column via automation. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board you want to manage. This is the board where you want the automation to run, so make sure you're in the right place before setting anything up. Next, look to the top right corner of the board and click Automate. This opens the Automation Center, where you can create rules that handle repetitive actions for you automatically. Since we want a custom setup for assigning someone from a people column, click Create from Scratch. Now you'll start building the automation trigger. Click when this happens. From the list of trigger options, choose Status Changes to something. This means the automation will run whenever a specific status changes to a value you define. After that, click on Status and select the status column you want to use. This should be the status column that controls when the assignment should happen. Then click on something and choose the specific status value from the dropdown. For example, this could be a stage like working on it, ready, or any other status you use in your workflow. The important part is that this selected value becomes the condition that activates the automation. Once the trigger is set, move on to the action. Click, then do this and choose an action from the available options. Select Assign Person. You'll now see two parts to configure. First, click Someone and choose the person you want involved in the automation setup. Then click Assignee and select a people column you want to update. This tells Monday.com exactly which people column should receive the assignment when the status changes. At this point, your automation should connect the chosen status change to assigning a person through the selected people column. To finish, click Create Automation. As soon as you do that, the rule becomes active and will run automatically whenever that status changes to the value you selected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A good idea after creating it is to test the automation on an item in your board. Change the status to the value you set, and confirm that the right people column updates as expected. If it doesn't, double-check that you selected the correct status column, the correct status value, and the correct people column during setup. And that's it. You've now created a Monday.com automation that assigns a person from a people column based on a status change, helping you save time and keep your board moving smoothly.